What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. As always, I hope you guys are cutting on. So, fam, in this video, I'm going to share with you my ideas of how to cut on this fall and this winter. And two, I'm now doing consulting calls for those people who are new to this business and want someone to mentor them on the way. But first, fam, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'm just a lawn care professional trying to take my $300,000 business to $500,000 this year, and I'm sharing my ups and downs and how I get over the bumps and bruises in this here business so I can cut on. So fam, what am I doing in order to cut on this fall and this winter? First thing in my arsenal is my contract. My contract for my regular cut season ends the second week in November. Bam! That leaves me only with 3 months and 2 weeks of figuring out what else to do for, I would call the slow season. So you have to set them up, okay, when they need you. Because when the season starts to slow down, if you don't have them under contract, you know they're going to tell you to stop cutting. But the thing is, you cannot start and run a business when clients are flaky on you and they control your business and they can tell you, don't cut my yard this week. That is not good for you. It's good for the client, but not for you. You cannot grow a business if they have that much control on when you start and stop your business. Fam, the contract is essential for you to have. Now, there are certain things that you need to have in your contract, which is important to have. There is certain things that need to be there in order for you to have a leg up to make sure they don't try to pull the okie doke. This goes to my other point. This is the reason why now I'm offering coaching calls and Zoom consulting. Shout out to Precision Lawn Care. We did a coaching call just the other day. I dropped some nuggets with them. We was able to think of some things that would help grow their business and help keeping their business cutting on. If you're also interested in a coaching call, a consulting Zoom call, man, please hit me up in my email so we can work together to coordinate to get your lawn care business to the next level or get your lawn care business moving if you're just getting started, because we want you guys to cut on. Because I know I'm going to work with those guys, because I'm telling you, I can't cut all this grass by myself, and you know how hard it is to keep people on the payroll. You almost got to pay millions to keep them there. But I tell you one thing, like I'm saying right now, work with those people in your area who may be solo operators, and you're a solo operator. I'm telling you, work together. Move those trucks together, man. Because at the end of the day, man, you can't cut all this grass by yourself. So Precision Lawn Care, I am going to, let's stay in contact with each other, man. If you got some work coming up, you need some help over here at Cutz, let me know. We can coordinate it together and we can get it done. And finally, fam, what I would like to do is partner up with some people who are here in the local Atlanta area. Here's what I would like the partnership to look like. I know that we're all kind of suffering from shortage when it comes to workers, and we probably have a lot of solo operators out there, and some of us cannot cut on through the winter and have someone dependent on us, like someone you hire, because the work can be slow in between. But also, it puts you in a very difficult situation where you're too nervous to get too much work that you can't do by yourself. I understand that. So fam, that's where I come in. Let's partner up. Let's say if you're interested, shoot me an email, let me know where you're located, and let's see if we can generate some work. What I'm looking for type of work is leaf removal, right? So you get it to the curve, I'll haul it away. If you can't get it to the curve, you need some help and assistance to get it to the curve, we get it to the curve. And then we haul it away. We both win because we can continue to cut on. Now, when we dealing with clientele, a lot of times they will call during the fall, and you can't do the work because you don't have the equipment. Man, you gotta partner up with someone who can. Don't try to do it on your own, and don't shoo away the work that's available. Put your price out there. Let's coordinate together. Let's see how we both can win-win. Because, fam, you have to have other options other than just saying no. The other option is partnerships. Now, of course, this go out to other people in other areas. Man, if you got people in your area that has certain equipment and you know you can go out and at least quote it and get some work, I'm pretty sure they're willing to partner up with you. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure they're willing to partner up with you. So, if you're interested, like I said, hit me up in my email. And as always, I hope we can cut on. So, cut on, lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.